Hello children, how are you all of you? Fine, good. Today we are going to discuss about waste management. What? Waste management. That is your last chapter, that is your chapter 18. Now what are the main aims and objectives of waste management? What are the aims and objective of waste management? The overall objective of the waste management assessments are summarized below. First, to assess the activities involved for the proposed and determine the type, nature and estimate volume of waste to be generated. It is the first main objective of a waste management to assess the activities involved for the proposed and determine the types, nature and estimated volume of waste to be generated. Second, to identify any potential environmental impacts from the generation of the waste at the site. That is, any potential environment impact from the generation of the waste at the site. What are the two types of waste? What are the two types of waste? First is your municipal waste, which include household waste, commercial waste and demolition waste. Municipal waste include household waste, commercial waste and demolition waste. Hazardous waste include industrial waste. Hazardous waste include industrial waste. Biomedical waste include clinical waste. Biomedical waste include clinical waste. Special hazardous waste include radioactive waste, explosive waste and electronic waste. Special hazardous waste include radioactive waste, explosive waste and electronic waste. These are the types of waste. What are the source of the waste? Mainly the solid waste. First is your industrial. The first source is your industrial. That light and heavy manufacturing, fabrication, construction site, power and chemical plants. Power and chemical plants. Commercially, stores, hotels, restaurants, market, office buildings, etc. are the commercial source of a solid waste. Institutional, school, college, hospitals, government centers are the source of a solid waste. So these are the mainly the source of a solid waste, that is your industrial, commercial and institutional. Now next, what are the side effects of garbage? Garbage means that is the unwaste. Okay, the waste, that is your garbage. They are not be useful. One of the outcome of overflowing garbage is the air pollution, which cause various respiratory disease and other adverse health effects as contaminants are absorbed from lungs to other part of the body. The toxic substance in air contaminated by waste include carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide and methane. So these are the side effects of a garbage. They are mainly responsible for the air pollution and they mainly affect the lungs. What are the different methods involved in the waste management? First is your proper dumping, recycling, transportation and collection and the creation of awareness. These are the different methods which is involved in the waste management, first your proper dumping, recycling, transportation and collection, and the creation of awareness. The most common waste dumping methods include landfill and incineration. The advantage of using incineration method is that it can be conducted at industrial scale level. So these are the different methods which is involved in the waste management. What are the three types of waste management? Proper waste disposal and management can be done by applying the 3 R's. 3R: reduce, reuse and recycle. Reducing means lessening the amount of trash, garbage produced. Reducing means lessening the amount of trash, garbage produced. Reusing referred to using material more than once, while recycling means creating new materials or product out of trash and garbage. Though mostly we applying 3 R's: reduce, reuse and recycling. Reducing means lessening the amount of garbage produced, reusing to use again, and recycling creating new material or product out of the garbage. What is the best method of waste management? That is your modern waste management techniques. Recover through recycling. We start with arguably the most advantageous form of waste disposal. Dump in a sanitary landfill. Compositing, creating rich humus for your garden and lawn, and thermal treatment, that is your incineration. So these are the best methods of the waste management. So I hope you understood about the waste. What are the source of the waste? What are the different methods involved in the waste management? And what are the best methods of the waste management? Now, thank you.